What's up guys, my name is Manas and I'm gonna share with you my favorite place. So here's my top 5 favorite place in Assam. Kaziranga National Park in the Golaghat, Karbi Anglong and Nagaon district of the state of Assam, India. The sanctuary, which hosts 2/3 of the world great one-horned rhinoceros, it is a vast expanse of tall elephant grass marshland and dense tropical moss broadleaf forest. It has been theme of several books, songs, documentaries. Its establishment in 1905 as reserve forest. The history of Kaziranga area can be traced back to 1904 when Mary Curzon, Baroness Curzon of Kettleston, the wife of Viceroy of India, Lord Curzon of Kettleston, visited the area. Hoolunga Park Gibbon Sanctuary, formerly known as the Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary, is an isolated protected area of evergreen forest located in Jorhat, Assam. Forest has been fragmented and surrounded by tea gardens and small villages. The sanctuary was officially constituted and renamed in 1997, and it is famous for Hoodlock gibbons. Dibru-Soykha National Park in Assam, India, located in Dibrugarh and Tinsukia districts. It was designated a biosphere reserve in July 1997 with an area of 765 km². The park is bounded by the Brahmaputra and Lohit rivers in the north and Dibru River in the south. It is the largest celtic swamp forest in northeastern India with a tropical monsoon climate with a hot summer and cool, usually dry winter. It has a haven for many endangered species and rich in fish diversity. Kamakhya temple is Shakta temple dedicated to the mother goddess Kamakhya. It is one of the oldest of 51 Shakti Pithas situated in Nilachal Hill in western part of Guwahati city in Assam, India. It is important pilgrimage destination for Hindus and especially for Tantric worshippers, and it is one of the biggest festival. Ambubachhi Mela is celebrated in every year in the month of June. The Wildlife Sanctuary on the southern bank of Brahmaputra in Morrigaon district in Assam, India, providing grassland and wetland habitat for Indian rhinoceros. It holds one of the largest Indian rhinoceros population in Assam. This sanctuary is also have to over 375 species of bird. It consists 15 grass species. Other mammals occurring in the sanctuary are golden jackal, wild boar, buffalo, barking deer, Indian leopard, leaf dormouse in the hilly parts.